ecobee Smart Thermostat Pro with voice control. We'll walk you through the installation of the newest Pro model from ecobee, where you'll discover just how quick and easy it is to install for homes with or without a common wire. With ecobee Smart Thermostat Pro with voice control, everything you need comes in the box, including an optional large trim plate to cover paint marks, ecobee Smart Sensor, the power extender kit for homes without a common wire, screws, drywall plugs, and instruction manual. Before starting the installation process, check that the old thermostat being replaced is working properly. Safety comes first, so make sure to power off the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system before removing and replacing the old thermostat. Remove the old thermostat cover and begin disconnecting the wires. If there's no C-wire, you'll need to use the power extender kit, which we'll walk you through in a moment. Once wires are disconnected, remove the old thermostat's backplate from the wall and line up the new ecobee backplate. If the standard backplate doesn't completely cover the paint marks, use the larger trim plate provided. Start installing the thermostat wires into the same labeled terminals on the ecobee as they were on the old thermostat. It's important that the R wire should be inserted in the RC terminal only. Even if the old thermostat had it in the RH terminal, make sure the R wire is in the RC terminal. To make sure they're secured in the terminal block, give the wires a little tug. Now, if there's no C wire, you'll need to use the power extender kit, also known as the PEK. The PEK can help you complete any 4-wire ecobee thermostat installation. The PEK is easy to use. It has push buttons to help lock the wires into place. There's also a magnet on the bottom, so when you're done installing, just stick it to the inside of the furnace. The PEK gets installed down at the control board of the furnace. Remove the wires going to the thermostat. RGYW. You'll see 5 white wires coming out of the PEK. Each wire is labeled for the terminal it needs to be installed into on the control board of the furnace. Once the PEK wires are installed into the control board, you'll install the 4 wires going to the thermostat. Just match up the same terminals that were going to the control board into the PEK. Now we can install the wires going to the ecobee itself. There will be some minor wiring changes. Carefully insert your R, RH, or RC wire into the RC terminal, your G wire into the C terminal, and your Y1 wire to the P terminal. Remember, it's important the R wire should be inserted in the RC terminal only. Even if the old thermostat had it in the RH terminal, make sure the R wire is in the RC terminal. Connect the remaining wires to their terminals on your new thermostat backplate. For example, insert the W1 wire into the W1 terminal. If you're using the PEK, make sure the G wire goes into the C terminal and the Y1 wire goes into the PEK terminal at the thermostat. Once everything is wired, turn the power back on to the HVAC system. Gently push the ecobee Smart Thermostat Pro with voice control onto the backplate. You'll see it start up right away. Now that you know how easy it is to install the new ecobee Smart Thermostat Pro with voice control, you can feel confident about installing ecobee in your customers' homes.